2020, look at this beautiful stick. See that with these little lamps and decorations and everything there. This is here in Punavuori, Fredbergen. Ja tässäkin sportsuustuminen i Finland, it's Kankurinkatu.
Kankurinkatu.
Yeah, Vevargatan was it 7 or?
Yeah.
Stick is C, but the other address it's not. It's needless. But
Yeah.
this was modernized in 2002 by Kone with every pictures. Another very beautiful other way.
Yeah.
That deserves 2 rights, but 5 is not in use there.
Yeah.
You see on the stage 920615, so it has been an ASEA before.
Yeah.
But when was it built?
1930.
1930.
Yeah.
There's no 5th floor here.
Yeah.
Will be because this year, 2023, it turned 90 years old in 2020, and the elevator turned, modernization turned 20 years old in the last year, 2022.
Is dit paikki vain pitänyt maintained by Kone?
It was probably modernized in the beginning of 2002. These controllers for me, they feel like late 1990s.
Yeah.
That's why it was early 2002. Yeah, it sounds a bit like a late 1990s Kone modernization.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much.
That's